Wow, this is exciting. We're visiting a nature sanctuary today. Yeah, we're at Swan Lake, just a little ways out of Victoria, not very far. And if you live in the area or in Victoria, or if you're coming to Victoria and you've never been here before, it really is worth checking out. All the times I've been here, I have never yet seen a swan, but it is Swan Lake. But I don't know, maybe they do a ballet around here or something. But yeah, we're going to check that out today. There's a nature house here and all kinds of neat stuff to look at. And just the greatest bridge out across the water. Fantastic. There is a lot of wildlife around. I've heard a lot of birds just when I got out of the car. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. All right, let's get this done. As soon as you come in, you get all the information you want right here on the board. It shows you Swan Lake here and where you are. Big parking lot, so that's a big plus. And the nature house isn't open yet, but there it is there. Oh, squirrel. Yeah, like I said, there's lots of wildlife around here. It's not a bad day. It's 9 degrees out, which is about, what, 46, 47 Fahrenheit. So it's just a nice day to go for a walk. Everything's really well marked here. It's quite an easy place to walk around too. If you have any mobility issues, you could probably do quite a bit of this walk with no great problem at all. Everything's well marked. They got the little plant garden over here, and there's another trail that goes down through the bush. And it gives you what we're looking at here. Oh. Just stay on the path. You won't get in trouble. All right, let's go have a look around. Oh, they use this little area in here for when children come from schools and stuff to get some learning done. Yeah, nice place. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Let's go have a look at the water. Oh, more birds. I was just talking to that fellow on the wharf there, and he's got like the long telescopic lens there, and he was filming 3 otters that were out diving around and feeding out at the end of the lake there. So I haven't got that capability. So we're going to carry on, see what we can find with our little lens. Nice path this. Lots of places to sit. What do we got here? Drip fountain. Huh. Oh, down here. This is a drip fountain. I guess it's just water and coming out of the garden and dripping down here. And you can sit there and watch it all day if you want. That's exciting. Now this walkway is great. It's got a really nice surface on it too, so you don't slip at all. And it takes you through the wetlands here, so you're up off the marsh. But yeah, you can wander along here, not get soaking wet, and work your way down to the bridge that goes out over the lake. Those otters, I guess they were feeding on sunfish, or I imagine there's cutthroat trout and that in here, but I don't see any signs that says you can't fish, but I've never seen anyone fish here before. But being a park and a wildlife sanctuary, chances are you're not supposed to be fishing here. If someone knows, put it down in the comments. I'd love to know. But this is just a neat walkway. And it's wide too, so you got lots of room to get around people if it's busy. But I believe there's only like 5 of us in the park right now, so we should be good. Well, this is great. All right, let's get down to the bridge. The fellow out there on that wharf, he also said, I said, you know, I've been here so many times before, I've never yet seen a swan, but he has. He said there actually was a pair here once he was here. So if you're coming here to look at swans, maybe just buy a $6.49 ticket instead. You might have a better chance of winning. But look at this. For a winter's day, this isn't bad. They also give you these little areas so you can get off the bridge part. Oh yeah, there's definitely been otters up here. I won't tell you how I know. Incoming. That tree straight ahead, a big eagle just landed in it. I'll see if I can get close enough to get a picture, but he's got something. He's chowing down on something, so I didn't see him hit the water for a fish, but maybe he got a mouse or a rat or something. We'll go have a look. But like I said, isn't this neat? That sky is just beautiful. All right, let's see if I can sneak up on this eagle. Well, you know, it's not the easiest thing to do is sneak up on an eagle because he knows I'm here for sure, but he's busy chowing right now, so. But he's huge. Hey, what you got? Also watching the eagle. Maybe he can see what it's eating. Well, we'll just carry on the path. Came over the bridge a little ways and see where we can get to next. I believe you can walk around the whole lake. Another viewing point here. Just up on my right hand side here is the Saanich police station. So, you know, that's how close we are to the city. Police station's just up there. Wow, what a neat path. Well, I'm about halfway around the lake now, so this is where all the action is. I just saw 2 more eagles, and 3 Canada geese went flying by, and 1 eagle was hot on their tail. I don't know if he was trying to take one down or not, but they got out of my sight, so couldn't follow the drama all the way through. But this is so nice this morning. Not bad for a winter walk. Coming back down to the lake. Big old Gary oak trees in here. It's beautiful. Well, if you're interested in how long the loop is, it's 2.5 kilometers if you want to walk around the whole lake. So we got almost 3/4 of the way now, so we're doing very well. Well, there's a real snag. Bet you the eagles like this. Well, if the woodpeckers. Well, we made it back to the nature house. I'll wander up that way, have a look. Back there a little ways, I took another trail that I shouldn't have. It'd be great if you had hip waders on, but I came back to the main trail and find my way back to basically where I started from, by the nature house. A lot more people in the park now. Well, doesn't look like it's open, but yeah, we're right back where we started. Yeah, the nature house is closed till January 1st. Or January 2nd. But so we won't be going in there today, not legally anyway. Okay, let's get back to the car. Well, that was great. 2.5 kilometers. Actually, I probably walked 3 because I took a different trail. But that was a big mistake. I had to backtrack. But tonight, I'm going over to the gardens, Butchart Gardens, to do the holiday lights. So hopefully I'll have that all done for Sunday's video. So if you're watching this on Sunday, everything worked out. So I've got an appointment there today at 6:15 this evening after dinner. So that's what I'm doing, 2 walks today. What I do. All right, and back to, oh yeah, definitely a lot more people here now. Have a look at this. So if you want to check out the Swan Lake, it's a great place to go for a walk. So thanks very much for watching. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye from Swan Lake.